CEB Opensim FW is an add-on focused to make the connection between Opensim simulation with Blender. To use it, you have to install Miniconda. You can use the download link to get the latest version of Miniconda, and you can, let me execute this one. Downloading it, you have to install using the Just Me install for Just Me. If you install for all users, probably it's not going to work. As I already have installed, having the add-on inside Blender, it was made to work with Blender 4.2. You install the Conda VM pressing this button. It will do its job. Just wait a little bit. This part, it's doing the installation of Opensim. It's done. You can close this window. Then you can, let me erase this cube. You can build the walker model. It's a sample that I'm doing. It will create from scratch using Opensim commands. You can import the walker. It's a pre-made version I've built inside Blender. It's a blend file packed inside the add-on. And you can go to the simulate. This will do the simulation, so you can load in Blender using the import walker simulation. But it doesn't do nothing very interesting because it's not optimized. But if you optimize, click on this button, it's gonna run CMA-ES algorithm to optimize the Opensim model so it can walk. It takes a while. As far as I know, it doesn't need GPU, it runs just on CPU. I'm gonna pause until it finishes. While it's processing, let me say something. This add-on, the current state that it is, it's not very useful. It's more a proof of concept that I'm working on, and I want to build more upon it. But for now, it's just a simple test that you can try if you like. You see, now you can close this window, and you have to simulate again, so it will simulate the optimized version. You can close it and import the simulation again. It's different, but it's not better. In case you have a result that's not interesting, like this one, it's not very interesting. You can build Opensim Walker again. It will rebuild the Opensim file and optimize it again. Let's see again. I think this one is not so, it's not good too. But let's see. Yeah. Let me try once more. Build it. Optimize. Sometimes I get the best result from the first time. It was not this case. Let's take a look on this result. Probably this one will work because you can see that it went to until 5.8 meters. So let's simulate it again. You optimize, then you simulate, then you import the file. Import the walker simulation, and this time it worked well. Another option that you can do with this add-on, you can choose more time. For example, this by default is using 3 seconds, but I can put to simulate 5 seconds. I choose 5, simulate. It takes a little longer to run, and let's import it. And you can see that it goes out of the screen. If you like, you can try more time, simulate it again. And import. And you can see how long it goes. Yeah, that's it. As I said, it's not very useful. It's more of a proof of concept if you want to study how it works to create your own stuff using Opensim and Blender. This add-on might help you with that. Thanks a lot. Bye.